Did you know that the second generation of Stingray, also known as C2, was the first Corvette to carry the name Stingray? This generation marked a significant shift in design, introducing a sleek, aggressive look with the iconic split rear window in the coupe model. The Stingray's second generation was a game-changer, setting new standards for sports cars. But the Stingray was not just about looks. It was a powerhouse under the hood. The introduction of the robust small-block V8 engines in the C2 model revolutionized its performance. This engine upgrade transformed the Stingray, taking it from a mere showpiece to a formidable force on the road. The Stingray's second generation was not only a visual spectacle, but also a beast on the road. The Stingray's second generation left an indelible mark on the world of automobiles. Its bold design and powerful small-block V8 engine reset expectations for sports cars around the globe. This iconic model set the bar high, influencing future car designs. The second-generation Stingray was and remains a symbol of innovation and power in the automobile industry. Let's quickly recap what makes the second-generation Stingray so remarkable. Its game-changing design, the introduction of the iconic split-rear window, and the powerful small-block V8 engines all highlight its innovation. The Stingray's second generation truly stands as a testament to the Corvette's commitment to innovation, design, and power.